Good morning, third period STEAM Legends students. This is Mr. Ringo. Like what I said, I won't be here today until Thursday. The agenda looks like this: that the first half of class is all about doing one of the missions. We are at a point where you have learned all the tools that you need to use for you to do the boss battle, which is called compound objects. And we are going to go over that very shortly. The last 15 minutes class is to do some makeup work. Okay, as a reminder, cutoff date for the Legends is this Friday. I won't be able to look at work until Wednesday when I get home. All right, and the last part of class, make sure you put your computers away, do your learning logs, and make sure you plug your laptops in. Put them away so that the fourth period class has power to use for their work. All right. And so the sub is also going to be using this timer to kind of manage your time so that once this beeps, you transition into your makeup work. All right. So let's go over what the boss battle looks like. Okay, boss battle, compounded objects. In this battle, you will recreate a structure using primitive objects that you find in this classroom. Find an object that consists of 8 or more primitive objects, like your table, like your chair, like the ceiling lamps. Okay, so make sure you find an object that has 8 or more primitive objects. And the objects don't include the lighting, it doesn't include the camera. Okay, so make sure you find that. You're going to create the compounded object using the scale, rotate, and translate features. You can apply accurate materials or colors on that object. All right, so color the objects in. And the very last thing is group up the objects so that there is a parent and there is a child. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to take a picture of the object you're trying to model in this room and place a picture in the text box using the image button. All right, so when you add submission, you'll be able to submit 2 files. One file is going to be the picture that you're going to be modeling, and the other file is going to be a Blender file of you attempting modeling that object. Okay, when you're done, submit the Blender file into the submission portal and submit the picture in the submission portal as well. Again, in the last part of class, makeup work time. Put away your computers in the last 7 minutes. Do your learning log. I will not be able to do notebook checks until Thursday. And the last part is plug in your computers so that fourth period is able to use some of that power for them to do their work in their class. Other than that, I'll see you on Thursday.